When your friend brings you back fresh crab from the Oregon coast, it's time for a crab boil. So let's get together our garlic, our seasonings, some Old Bay, some eggs. Let's get them eggs in there, some eggies. Then we got some corn. Let's go ahead and husk that corn, get the corn ready. Chop up these veggies. Veggies is looking real nice. Some lemons. Got the onions. Let's go ahead and toss in the onion. Some lemons. Some potatoes. Get that corn in there. Some garlic. Let's get that garlic in there. Some andouille sausage. Time for some crab. Some shrimpies. Gotta get them shrimpies in there. And ladies and gentlemen, we feast like kings. Cheers.